How's it going? James, OnlineCarShow.net. Well, in this video, we're going to be going over what I broke last week in the ZR1. So without hesitation, let's get this video started. Real quickly, I want to ask y'all to stay tuned to the end of this video. I had a special request from a follower by the name of Mr. Big 360. If you look on my last video, he says, new subscriber here, been into the journey with the new vet. Any way you can throw in a cold start or exhaust sounds. Got to be some sick sounds from your mods and exhaust setup. And I will deliver. If you look at the end of this video, I'm going to add pictures from our last photo shoot and a cold start from Mr. Big 360. Well, real quickly, I'm just going to go over upcoming events. We've got the crew on deck. December 14th, they're doing a toy drive at Kim's Tea House. This is going to be huge. It's actually next Saturday from 6:30 to 10 p.m. at Kim's Tea House. Be sure to show up to that one. Mark your calendars. It's an awesome show. Well, I'm about to show you what broke in the Corvette. Before I do that, if you could please go ahead and smash that like and subscribe below. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps my videos to grow and helps support my channel. Thank you so much. All right, well, let's see what broke on the Corvette here, so we all know, right? Oh, what we got here? 404 parts. We got a gas cap. Yep, this is something that goes out pretty regularly in a lot of cars and is very important to make sure you keep it maintained. We're going to go over the reasons for that here next, but we're going to be installing this on the Corvette. And as you can see here, these are nothing but official GM licensed parts from 404 Parts. So be sure to go check them out. I'm going to have a little clip here at the end on how you can get a hold of them. All right, we're going to try something new here with the whiteboard. Importance of changing your gas cap. Let's go over the reasons why that's important. The first on the list is fuel economy. By making sure there's a good seal on your gas cap, you stop vapors from exiting the gas tank into the atmosphere and contain them in the tank, which is going to in turn give you better gas mileage. Which brings us to our second one, which is dangerous vapors. By keeping that sealed and stopping those vapors from entering the atmosphere, you're in turn taking out some nasty vapors and smells that might be around your car when nobody likes to pull up to a car show or a meet and have the smell of gasoline coming out of their car. Run better. Keeping the gas tank sealed will in turn, a lot of vehicles actually help them to run better, smoother, cleaner. Engine code. Not changing out the gas cap when there's a broken seal, and if you've got basically an open gas tank on some vehicles can actually throw an engine code. So if you've got an engine code and it's related to the gas cap or the gas tank, that's probably the first place you should start checking. And to come back to the runs better, after I was all done with this here, one of the things, and it's all this can be dependent on how the actual gas tank is set up. There could be other mechanisms in there that help it seal, but you know, the gas tank maintaining an equal pressure or a certain pressure is part of what it takes your engine to run properly on a lot of cars. Also, last but not least, we've also got a fail state inspections. Because of this engine code that's on here, more than likely if you pull up to get your inspection done and you have a bad gas cap, you're going to fail that state inspection. So it's a real cheap part that can save you a lot of time and effort with other things, make your engine run better, make you a little bit nicer and friendly to the environment, give you a little better gas mileage. I mean, why in the hell not make sure this is done to your car? Now let's get on to testing your gas cap so you know if you need a new one. All right, well, I'm just going to show you how to test and see if your gas cap is actually sealing properly. As you can see here, I've got mine closed, but when I go to try to close it at a gas station, this will happen. You know, you go to twist it on. Well, it actually worked that time. Go! Usually it won't do that though. Usually I go to twist it on, it pops right off. For some reason, it must be working now. But if you go to, there it goes. If you go to twist it on and you get this number where it just pops off. Anyways, you have a problem with your gas cap not going on and just popping off, there's probably a spring inside here, or it's actually broken to where this will not put enough tension to actually screw on, and instead it breaks the thing and pops off. So what we're going to do is replace this thing so this doesn't happen. It does appear to be working today, but usually this doesn't. Of course. To get this off, you want to be real careful not to let, in fact, we're going to set it right there. Take us a pair of needle nose pliers and try to gently pull that off without hurting the paint. It should pop off fairly easy once you get the little tabs pushed in. There we go. All right, so now that we got the old one off, we're going to pop the new one on real easy. Let's go ahead and mount it first. Make sure it works. Oh yeah, way different. And push this little tab button on, the little keeper. And we're all set. Replaced, good to go. Now it pops off like it should. And I can feel tension there like it should have. There we go. Gas cap change, that's easy enough. Took one tool and 2 minutes of time. All right, well now as y'all seen what's in the box, what was broken on the car, the importance of, you know, checking your gas cap and making sure you've got a good seal. Let's go over who, you know, hooked up the part. I use 404 parts for everything, GM license, you know, whether it's a motor part on the car to an exterior piece, whatever. If I need a GM actual part, I go to 404parts.com. They have a great website. They can get you anything, you know, Ford, Chevy, Mopar, any major brand part. He can get you at a really good price. Be sure to contact him. You can go through sales at 404parts.com. You can also go to their website, which is 404parts.com, or you can look them up on Instagram at 404parts. You know, shoot him a DM if you've got some part that broke or needing for your car. Shoot him a DM and just see what kind of price he can get you. It wouldn't hurt, and he's always quick to respond to me. I ordered the gas cap, and within a week it was here. In perfect shape. They took good care of me as always. I have zero complaints to those guys. I worked with him when he was with another company before, and he'll take good care of you. I can promise you that. So go check them out, 404parts.com. Also, I didn't even see this in the box, but they do have a little marketing thing here. It says, tag us in your photos for promo codes. 404 Parts, thank you for your purchases. 404parts.com, sales at 404parts.com. And they've got their Instagram and stuff here on the back with the directions on how to get your promo code. Very cool marketing here. It even gives you directions on how to do it. Snap a photo, tag us, tag a car friend, DM for promo code. So really cool. If y'all want additional discounts, go check them out, 404 Parts. I want to say thank you so much again for watching my videos. If you haven't done so, smash that like and subscribe below. We've got a bunch of stuff coming as far as content. I've got a big mod coming. I don't want to let the cat out of the bag too much. It's going to take 3 or 4 weeks for them to get machined. I'll try to get y'all footage from the Crew on Deck show maybe, or the Eat Sleep Car Meet, one of them, so y'all can see one of the, you know, some of the so y'all can see some of the car culture here in Houston. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos again. I hope everyone has a wonderful week.
Well, Mr. Big 360, here's your exhaust clip.